here we are. Evo's gone now, so now we're on to the new series of videos. So behind me is my daily driver, somewhere here. Daily driver 2021 MUX LST. Unfortunately, I've got the same issue that every car person has. Nothing stays standard. So here we are doing the first round of upgrades. I will have a breakdown video coming on the car because it's got some other parts that are on its way due to the car being so new. We're the first off the ranks getting all the parts. Today we're doing the factory intake, factory intercooler pipe on that side, and if I remove that, factory intercooler pipe right there. We're doing this, there's just a couple of little reasons. The car will be used for towing, so from there it'll be under a lot of pressure going up hills, so the rubber hoses are very prone to break under boost going up a hill. Plus, not only do these look better, obviously it'll be a bit more constant boost pressure as well, seeing the car is tuned, and then from there we'll once there's a few more upgrades, we'll get the tune updated as well. But let's get stuck into this. I'll show you a bit of a video in regards to the removing the factory, bit of a comparison in the pipes once it's all on, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, just to quickly run over what we've got here for parts for the upgrade. Now, this whole kit was provided by CRG Diesel in Queensland. Now they do a lot of Navara stuff, a lot of BT50, D-Max, firewall forward. The new MUX is virtually a D-Max, so from there it was really easy to find some parts. Plus a K&M filter. Look, no reason at all bar the fact of that I've run them in every vehicle and never had any issues. For me, the intake parts wise, now I paid full price for everything here, so I'm not going to be biased at all. The quality of the work is actually really nice on the pipe. The finishing's nice, welds are nice, even from here, like the little bends and everything in these, and I've had these apart and had a look at them. Yeah, they actually are very quality items there. From there, the only reason why we haven't used someone local, I've always got someone that does my fab work here in Adelaide, but the fact is everywhere is just so banked up with COVID. Everyone's just spending their money left, right and centre, and CRG were the only ones that had this available. Now they do supply a powder coat option for this, but I wasn't so fast. The raw steel still looks okay, and it's not going to affect the performance of anything, so I thought rather save the money and spend it elsewhere. Alrighty, well, let's get into it. Alrighty, so we're all done. The factory intake, both cooler pipes are all done. That one off, it was pretty stuck on, so I took a shit ton of WD-40 and that come off. So any players at home that are going to do this, just absolutely hammer it with WD-40 and it will eventually give way. I just thought I'd show a quick comparison of all the pipes next to each other. You can see that obviously from there the intake shares the same size, but it's more consistent, obviously because the pipe doesn't have the flexy ridges in there. Same size with that cooler pipe and the other one as well, but you can definitely see where the benefits are going to be with them being solid and not being able to really flex under boost, especially this one that's that's limp as. So alright, well, let's get stuck into it and continue. So after a little bit of screaming, the kit fits actually really nice. It just takes a little bit of play to get there to move the silicone up into place. Everything's pretty tight there, so from there it's actually really nice, and I'll swing you around and I'll show you the finishing of the kit. So the intake sits ultra snug all the way down into there. Factory breather goes back on, and then from there, you might not be able to see it, the lower intercooler pipe is a very nice snug fit there. Then come across to this one, just ultra snug fitting, and pretty happy with the finish. So as you'd expect, still pretty quiet. And just a final check over everything. Everything seems really nice and tight in place. That's it for this. I'll be doing a bit of a build and a break video on that. We've got some extra stuff coming in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Being that it's a brand new model, like I said before, we're still waiting for all the parts to get released. And then within the next week, we've got the next series of videos happening, which will be on a different motorsport we're doing for the next 1 to 2 years while we're building some property. So that way we can keep, I'll say, the reflexes and a bit of my fitness up and going. From there, guys, enjoy, like, subscribe, comment down below. Any questions at all, fire away. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon.